In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book appointment on Calendly. If you've ever gone back and forth trying to find a meeting time, Calendly makes it simple. I'll walk you through the exact flow from opening the scheduling page to confirming your booking, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so your appointment lands on the right day, at the right time, with the right details. First, open your Calendly scheduling page or dashboard and look for the book meeting icon. This is your starting point to begin a new booking. Click it to open the scheduling view. You'll see a calendar layout with available days and times based on the organizer's settings. If you're using Calendly within a shared link, the same process applies. You're simply launching the booking view that shows what's open. Next, select a date. Click on the day that works for you. Available dates will be clickable, while blocked or past dates won't be selectable. Take a quick moment to glance at the time zone label, usually visible near the top or bottom of the page, to confirm it matches where you are. If it doesn't, adjust it so the time you choose aligns with your local time and avoids any confusion. After choosing the date, select a time. You'll see a list of open time slots for that day. Pick the one that best fits your schedule. If a slot looks grayed out or disappears, it likely just got booked by someone else, so simply choose another available slot. You may also see the meeting duration indicated next to the time. That's set by the organizer and lets you know how long to plan. Now you'll fill in your details. Enter your full name so the organizer knows who's attending. Then enter your email address carefully. This is important because your confirmation and calendar invite will be sent there. If you're prompted for additional information, like a brief note or purpose of the meeting, add a concise description to help the organizer prepare. Keep personal or sensitive information out of these fields. Finally, click Book Meeting. After a moment, you should see an on-screen confirmation that your appointment is set. You'll also receive an email with the meeting details and an option to add it to your calendar. If needed later, you can use the links in that email to reschedule or cancel, according to the organizer's policy. That's it. Date picked, time chosen, details entered, and your meeting booked with just a few clicks.